Why do you forget what you study? The scientific truth every student must know. Have you ever experienced this? You study a chapter today. You understand everything. You even feel confident. But after 3 days, it's gone. Before exams, you open the book and feel like you're seeing the chapter for the first time. Why does this happen? Are you weak in studies? Do you have poor memory? No. Science says there are specific reasons why students forget what they learn. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why it happens and how toppers prevent it. Reason 1. Your brain deletes unused information. Let's start with the first reason. Your brain is not designed to remember everything. In fact, your brain constantly removes information that it thinks is not important. Scientists call this the forgetting curve. Y equals E minus X. Research shows that if you don't revisit information after learning it, your brain starts forgetting it within hours. Think about it. Can you remember every meal you ate last month? No, because your brain didn't think it was important. The same thing happens with your lessons. If you study a chapter once and never look at it again, your brain assumes this information is not important. Delete it. Solution. Revision. Not before exams. Within 24 hours of learning. Just 10 to 15 minutes of revision tells your brain, keep this information. I need it again. Reason 2. You read instead of retrieve. Here's another big mistake. Most students think reading equals learning. It doesn't. Imagine you read a chapter 5 times. Your brain becomes familiar with it. But familiarity is not memory. Memory is being able to recall information without looking. Toppers do something different. After studying, they close the book and ask, what did I just learn? This process is called active recall. Every time you force your brain to retrieve information, the memory becomes stronger. Solution. After every study session, close the book. Write or say what you remember. Don't just read. Recall. Reason 3. You never fully understood the lesson. Many students try to memorize what they never understood, and this creates weak memories. Imagine building a house on sand. Will it stay strong? No. The same thing happens when you memorize without understanding. Your brain stores information much better when it understands the meaning behind it. That's why toppers focus in the classroom. Because understanding is the foundation of memory. Solution. Whenever you study, ask, why? How? What is happening? The better you understand, the easier you remember. Reason 4. Your brain was distracted while learning. Now let's talk about a problem almost every student has. Distractions. Mobile phones, notifications, social media, background videos. Many students think they are studying, but their attention is jumping every few minutes. Science shows that when attention is divided, memory formation becomes weak. Your brain cannot store information properly if it isn't fully focused. Solution. During study time, keep your phone away. Focus on one task. Even 30 minutes of deep focus is better than 3 hours of distracted studying. Reason 5. Lack of sleep. Here's a shocking fact. Your brain stores memories while you sleep. Not while you study. While you sleep. Scientists have found that during sleep, your brain strengthens and organizes information learned during the day. Students who stay awake until 2 a.m. studying often remember less than students who sleep properly. Solution. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Good sleep is not wasting time. It's part of studying. So if you're forgetting what you study, it doesn't mean you're weak. It usually means one of these 5 things. You didn't revise. You only read instead of recalling. You didn't understand properly. You were distracted. Or you didn't sleep enough. Remember this. Students don't forget because they are not intelligent. They forget because their study method doesn't match how the brain actually learns. Fix these 5 problems, and you'll remember more, learn faster, and perform better in exams. If you want more scientific study techniques that actually work, follow this channel and start studying the way your brain was designed to learn. Final punchline. Your memory is not the problem. Your study system is. Fire.